Hi everyone, you've reached Rico's channel and this is Rico. Ringneck parrots have become extremely popular pets recently, especially because of all the cute videos on social media. But do I think they are a good pet for someone without any previous bird experience? In short, no. But this is just my opinion. Here are 6 reasons why I feel this way and things you may want to consider. Let's start off with social media. Most people who decide they now suddenly want a ringneck parrot is usually because of cute posts like this.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I see you.
Well, those cute posts that you do see on social media are just that, and not the reality of what actually goes into owning one. Ringneck parrots can make a great, wonderful pet for the right person, but they are by far not the easiest birds to own, especially someone without any prior bird experience.
I still love you. You stole my baboon. See, hey, no.
The one main reason I would not recommend a ringneck parrot to someone with no previous bird experience is because of the bluffing stages they may go through. Although not all ringnecks go through these stages, they are known to bluff more so than other birds and can be quite challenging for any bird owner, let alone a new bird owner. Bluffing stages can happen overnight and generally when they are between the ages of 4 months to 1 year, but may vary depending on the bird. During this time, your bird will go from being a sweet angel to behaviors such as biting, lunging, growling, territorial, and pretty much downright mean. Bluffing stages can last anywhere from a week to several months or more. Because of the sudden behavioral changes, most owners tend to shy away from their bluffing parrot. But this is not the best route to take. And unfortunately, many are rehomed or left to live out their lives locked up in a cage. Birds in general make noise, from chirping to whistling, talking, and screaming. The bigger the bird usually equals to more noise, and ringneck parrots can get very loud. They are also known to be screamers, especially when hormonal. People who have owned birds prior to a ringneck may be able to adjust to the noise level they make, but for someone who has never been around birds previously, this just may be too much. They also have a very loud flock call that may not be suitable for some living arrangements.
Innocent. No. You bad boy, you scared me. No. I wasn't paying attention to you and you got me too quick.
Birds bite for many reasons such as being overexcited, afraid, dislike something you are doing, and many more. It's how they communicate with us. Learning to understand a bird's behavior and body language is very important and will help to avoid being bitten. However, there may be times where bites are unavoidable, as you saw with Rico being overexcited. As a new bird owner, this will take time to learn, so be prepared that bites will occur. The bigger the bird, the harder the bite, and ringneck parrots do give a mean, solid bite that can be quite painful. For someone without any prior experience with birds, this can be scary.
Can I touch it? You bad boy. You bad boy. No.
All birds can experience hormone surges and is usually brought on during mating season, but to what degree may vary on the bird. Hormones in ringneck parrots has its challenges with even experienced bird owners. Be prepared that they may go through these types of behaviors such as aggression, territorial, excessive screaming, self-stimulation, clingy, or very needy once a year or more. Although hormonal behaviors is natural in birds, I definitely say ringneck parrots can be quite challenging during breeding season in comparison to previous birds I've owned, even with diet change, limit daylight exposure, and removing items that can trigger hormones such as mirror boxes and dark hiding spots.
You just wasted them. Okay.
Something else to consider is their lifespan. Ringneck parrots can live up to 30 plus years. To some, this may be a long commitment, and pretty much having a loud, temperamental toddler with sensitive lungs that will require you to make some lifestyle changes for the entirety of their life. So there it is. These are just some of my reasons why I believe ringneck parrots may be challenging for someone without any previous bird experience. If you are still adamant about having a ringneck parrot as a pet, I highly recommend doing as much research as possible beforehand and going on Facebook pages or parrot forums to see what other owners say about their experiences. Keep in mind every bird will be different and not to have any expectations. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for future videos. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Say bye, Rico. Bye for now.